In this lesson we're going to work on writing fractions in words. And then also in this section you are asked to do some problems where they give you word phrases and then you translate them back into numerical fractions. However, I think after doing these 4 examples you'll feel comfortable no matter how the question's asked. So let's start with this example here. So in general, the way you're going to put these into words is you're just going to write down the top number exactly as you see it. So nothing special here. You would just write out the word 1. Now the bottom number, however, you are going to read that or write that as you would if you were describing, the place that you got in a race. So you would say 7th. So you're going to add a th to the end, and like you're saying I got 7th place in a race. And so the way we would write this out in words is 1/7. And this will be the case kind of no matter what the fraction is. So, it doesn't always end in th, because for example, if you have that fraction, that would be 1/3, right? Because that's how you would say getting number 3 in a race, you got third, so you would say it that way. There is one exception to the rule I just gave, and that is this one here. You're still just gonna say that as 1, but instead of saying second, you're going to say half. So if ever a 2 is on the bottom, you're going to say half instead of second. But that's really the only exception. Everything above 2, you're going to say it like it's the position you got in a race. So 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, so on. So this would be 1/2. Down here, kind of a similar situation. You're just going to say the number 4, and you're still going to say it, at least at first, like your place in a race. You'd say 5th, but because there are 4 of them, you need to make this plural, so you'll just add an s. So you'd say this as 4/5. So just add an s whenever this is a number bigger than 1. And then finally, for a mixed number, the way you're going to do this is you're going to say the whole part, which in this case is 5. And then to separate the whole from the fraction, you need to use the word and. So 5 and 3/8. So and is always used to separate the whole part from the fraction part.